Addressing the first Global Buddhist Summit in New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the noble teachings of Gautama Buddha have impacted countless people over centuries. The centre has approved the National Quantum Mission to accelerate quantum technology-led economic growth and leverage India into a leading nation in the sector. The online common entrance examination for the recruitment of Agniveer junior commission officers and others commenced across the country on April 17. In the Northeast Zone, the exam is being conducted at 26 centres across 14 cities in all the 7 states. The government will hold a meeting next week to discuss the relocation of the 342 families of sweepers colony from Temyo Maulong, informed Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, Nawalanghar. The Office of the Executive Engineer West Khasi Hills D Division MEPDCL Nongstoin has announced 2-day load shedding in 2 districts including West and Eastern West Khasi Hills District.